Okay, today we're featuring a 2013 Toyota 4Runner SR5. It's a four-wheel drive with 38,000 miles. It's got a clean Carfax, just two previous owners, jet black in color. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. It does have the turn signals in the side mirrors. You got your running boards down there, chrome door handles, and does have your window vents as well with the chrome roof rails up there. All right, driver's side of the 4Runner's in good shape. It does have rear park assist. All right, it's got your tow hitch back here as well. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good on the exterior of this 4Runner. Once again, it's a 13. All right, it's four-wheel drive, 38,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, just two previous owners. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the gray and black door panels, power windows, power locks. Got your power mirrors over here, your rear park assist there. Okay, it does have the nice thick rubber 4Runner floor mats. Black leather seating, power driver's seat. All right, just got a few little places right here on the leather. As you can see where it's kind of split just a little bit right there on that seam. Just want to point that out to you. Does have keyless entry key fob. All right, passenger seat leather's in good shape. No problems there. All right, it does have your power rear window that rolls down like the 4Runners do. It's an automatic. You got your four-wheel drive knob right there. Okay, dual climate controls, AM FM CD player. All right, it's got Bluetooth on the steering wheel here, and also your steering wheel audio controls. Let's take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 38,125 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you some of these options here. All right, got a little display right here with your range of your gas mileage, coordinates, time, temperature, and then your AM FM CD player. It's all lit up now. Got your dual climate controls. Okay, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. You do have a USB and auxiliary input here, and then right here is a button called party mode. All right, you can press that button if you're tailgating, picnic, birthday party, whatever, and you want all the audio to come out of the rear of the vehicle where the hatch is there. You hit that button right there and the audio will be placed to the back speakers. Really cool feature that 4Runner puts out there. All right, once again, AC is blowing cold, no problems there. All right, up here we do have the universal remote. Yeah, it opens your garage doors, whatnot. You got your traction control here, and then your hill descent button. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. And I'm gonna go ahead and walk around and open up the passenger's side door just to let some more light in so you can see exactly what I'm describing. We'll go ahead and open up the back hatch here as well. All right, back seat leather's in good shape. Everything looks good back here. Got the center console that comes down. Got your cup holders there. All right, does have the nice thick rubber floor mats back here as well. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right. Back here in the back, it does have the Husky liner back here as well. Got your power outlet here. Plenty of storage. Got your cargo shade right here. All right. Go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. See, we've got 17-inch alloys. All right, Nitto tires, plenty of tread left on them. Tires are in really good shape. All right, once again, we got a 2013 Toyota 4Runner SR5 four-wheel drive. It's got 38,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, just two previous owners. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.